Hey, skiers and boarders of the Southeast, are you excited? We've got a powder week ahead. It's been unbelievable powder conditions over the last couple days in the mountains, and we've got a long ski weekend, so by far the best conditions and we've seen all season, really, honestly. It's cold and windy, I know, but hey, I'll trade that any day for the type of powder we have at a lot of resorts in the Southeast. And if you have a long weekend, like I know a lot of you do, this is going to be awesome as the cold air is sticking around. Let's start with what's going on Wednesday night through Thursday. We've got northwest flow continuing, a little bit of more snow flurry action. I don't expect a lot of accumulation, but Friday, quick moving Arctic front's going to bring another round of northwest flow snow on Friday. So a good setup for another round of that northwest flow snow as the next Arctic surge moves into the southeast. So I think we could see an additional 2 to 4 inches, especially up in parts of West Virginia and Virginia. How much snow? Well, let's take a quick look. North Carolina counties, I think maybe 1 to 3 inches. A couple spots could see higher amounts because it is going to be Arctic air. It's going to fluff up. But up in West Virginia, there are a couple spots, 6, 7, 8 inches of snow. Just unbelievable setup for a great weekend. You notice we've got a little bit of snow in eastern North Carolina. We'll keep an eye on that. But I think the bigger potential is going to be coming on Monday into Tuesday. As far as snowmaking, boy, resorts can make snow for days. They've been making snow forever, and this is the type of snowmaking setup that's going to get them through the rest of the season, bar none. And this weekend, the really cold air comes down. So if you're going skiing this weekend, I know that the powder is great and it's going to be a great weekend. The one thing I'm worried about is it is going to be cold. Look at this, below zero temperatures, not below freezing, below zero temperatures, and we'll likely have below zero temperatures with the snowpack across the southeast. So make sure you have all the serious gear, everything, the goggles, basically the neck warmers. You're going to need the mask. You're going to protect every square inch of that skin because it is going to be brutally cold on Saturday into Sunday. You see the big trough setting up, and here comes that surge. A little piece of the polar vortex breaks off, comes down in New England, keeps the northwest flow going. But then late this weekend, this is when things get interesting. On Monday, a big piece of energy comes out of the plains with Arctic air still in place. We're going to have some overrunning, and this system's going to wind up and become an East Coast storm. And on the backside, another round of northwest flow. You see that big dip in the jet stream. There's that cold air diving south and east. So we're going to have cold temperatures, a burst of snow on Friday, and maybe a bigger storm on Monday into Tuesday. And then next week, it's going to start warming up, but don't start worry about that right now. Let's focus on the good stuff. Okay, as far as snow potential, here's the European model going over the next 7 to 10 days. And then here comes the weekend snow, but watch what happens Monday into Tuesday. A pretty good snowstorm, I think, setting up here. I think the European's a little off. It's been kind of a bad model this winter. So let's look at the GFS, what it's doing. It's going gangbusters, making this a big, big snowstorm starting on Sunday night into Monday. You'll see that snow developing and watch some of the snow. I mean, this would be huge if this can unfold. That is a lot of snow from Wisp down all the way to Avery County, North Carolina. That would be huge amount of snow. So not only is it going to be cold, we've got powder all over the place. Every resort's got all their runs open. We're making snow. We're going to get more snow and maybe even a big storm next week. Can you say blessed? This has been unbelievable. Even though the Panthers lost the Super Bowl, by far the best part of the season is right here. And because it's been so cold for so long and they're making snow and we're able to get more natural snow, this is the setup that's going to get us through the rest of the season. We'll be skiing well into March easily in North Carolina, and up in West Virginia, this will keep us going into early April, which to me, some of the best skiing of the year is late in the season, especially if you can get up to Snowshoe in March or up to Wisp in early April. It's not bad. I'm telling you, it's some good skiing. So have a great week. Stay warm. Make sure you bundle up. Wind chills are brutal. So I know we want to get out and get in this snow and have fun, but remember, the cold is the real deal, folks. It's legit. So make sure you bundle up and have all the heavy gear and take frequent breaks, but enjoy the snow. I mean, it's often I can say we have powder, and we have some great powder days ahead here in the southeast. I'll see you again later this week. We'll have an update going into the weekend as we look a little bit closer to that big storm on Monday and Tuesday. I did post something to my blog tonight, wxbrad.com, if you want to take a look at that. But as we get closer to the weekend, I think we'll have a better idea on amounts and just how much snow we could end up seeing. Until then, though, think snow.